2 visitors to the island are dead and several more are recovering after being diagnosed with leptospirosis. The people all point to a popular attraction, Blue Hole in St.Ann, as being the source for their health issues. But is it? TVJ's Janella Presus has been following that story and has the first of a 2-part series on the Blue Hole mystery.
Morning team Ismash, how is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog, and today we're somewhere else. I'm telling you guys I'm up on a roll now. I'm here with Jovan and Janelle, and we're located at St.Ann and Ocho Rios. What was it?
Blue Hole.
Blue Hole, with a Blue Hole waterfall or something like that the name.
Yeah.
With a Blue Hole where we are on like a thing I grew and said the water contaminated by leptospirosis, but we take with chances in our life because the adrenaline causes us to do a bugger thing.
Only live once, you know?
We only live once. So at this falls again we have another tour guide or whatever they call him. Oh yeah, tour guide or lifeguard.
3 to 1.
3 to 1. Then see the entry. Money talk first, man. Before the party, man.
Normally mix, you know.
Mix?
Then I use lifeguard, but I guide everything all under one cover.
Okay. One thing. Give me one. Alright, here now. The bill is light jacket, so you have sufficient light jacket for who can swim. Huh? Anyways, take a look for more, bro. As I said, I don't know if I get cut while ago when I did the intro. But this is copyright. So as I was saying, guys, sit back and enjoy this vlog with me. Don't mind the music in the background, so YouTube don't copyright me, I'm begging you please. But yeah, sit back and enjoy this vlog with me as I will be diving once again. Your boy know to swim right now, and Jovan there, Jovan I'm busting with the whole swimming thing, and also Janelle. So yeah, team Ismash, let's get it. We'll start the tour now. So first to go. Janelle, we call like an area within a river or a stream. What do you call it? First little pool. Yeah, it's our first little pool. I'm going to probably tell them you have water, wetland areas or water areas, but I say I go for now when I can't swim. I'm just excited and all over the place when you come out to water. So let's go.
Okay, go.
Man, say thing. Yeah, man, go on. Boy! Here, Japan! Here, Japan! Lord God! Lord God! Here, come on! Boy! Taking water! Taking water! Boy, I'm help you!
Alright guys, what you want is the best float around it. What happened?
Jovan now! Eh? So do I. Nervous. Very nervous. Come on, jump off right now. Alright, what am I doing with it? Alright, what do you with it? Save it. Oh, not fun. You ready for me now?
Big swimmer.
You want a big swimmer now, you have to carry it in the dark.
No.
One.
Yeah, we follow with him on
Big man.
Ready?
What you want? What you want, Tamako?
Big man.
Got you.
You ready, Dash?
Yeah.
Remember,
Big swimmer. Careful now, Sumo.
next.
Woo! Yeah, team make it out alive.
You make a good vlog for people in
It now focus, stop move.
Make a good vlog. Coffee and then sit me.
Playing around.
It's very serious.
When you drink little now, you don't know if it's serious, eh?
Alright.
Video, picture. Alright. Give me a dive, you know? Give me a dive, a little bit. Yeah. Turn back your face.
Yo, last time. Don't violate trouble. Anybody trouble, I go trouble, you know.
And listen up, guys. When
I would have second phase.
a little, not much. We're not serious. And we pull down the other day on the side, we don't want to move up. Yes, sir. Because that's still stupidity in there. Because if someone take the last jump, very, very last.
My hair look
And we don't want to drop it again.
Say you look what?
Someone one or two.
Hear that people? Pretty today.
Nothing today, last.
This one means that everything is good. You can do anything like this, you can't.
You that.
What you did earlier, somebody who is
white and dirty.
At one point, you have a hole that go down. You dead, she her life.
You don't want
So
to
no one, no playing around.
That's you.
Push her up. Alright? Wait a this, we can different front. You have a little water.
Start taste. Ready, Jenna? I say I see man risk cafe next week.
Yeah.
Jeez, may I go car? No what a swimming part there with you. Look at that.
All over.
What? Nigger? Everybody from Kingston?
He come from Africa. Something like that. Where you come from? Nigeria, same place Africa. Oh God.
And you from?
I come from Jamaica.
On that side over there, St.Ann, this side, St.Mary. The white river, which is called the Blue Hole, is the border coming from way in the hills, St. Catherine, Guysville, leading back to Fort Royal.
Knowledge. Smart now, we can do the exam. Where are we going now, boss?
We want to mix the parish, St.
Well, like very more.
Alright.
We have the Virgin Parish.
Virgin parish. Somebody now jump here and take your virginity. Ready for phase 2. Phase 2. It get deeper, it further we go. Alright, we love how that sound. Cause that one there, I can't touch the bottom, look at it.
No, man, you know what happened?
Look at it. I cut.
Oh, wait, the jump off bad?
I'm a cut. I go straight down.
That
Oh, you
means
did
you
dive
don't-
deep.
you
Miss
don't
when you
carry
dive.
up your knees when you go down.
Straight guard drum.
You go down too straight.
Yeah, that did happen to him. Dive too straight.
When I jump off, you can't jump off straight, you don't know what down there.
That's true, I'm sure smarter than that. Smarter than that.
So what you do the first? You know, the first move was good. You go put that. Next trip you go hit that, because you test your first.
Ready again. Left for right.
Ladies. Woman then, you could not hear me, woman, come here.
Y'all picking it.
Prevent leptospirosis.
What's up? Where the woman then, come here.
Woman then.
All of the woman then, come here.
If I'm a Roman, okay.
I'm concerned.
No sperms in the water can't pregnant, so no come.
Come this side. Come on.
I'm making it pure again.
Ladies.
What it smell like?
I don't know.
Oh, sorry. Pass it around to the meal. He's a pepper elder from the pepper family, mint family.
Really about this.
It's good.
Pass it round, you know.
I must be sick.
It smells strong, but I don't know what it smells like.
Pepper elder. It can go a little bit to season meat, but it's the number one.
Squeeze it out.
Guys,
Barely get strong.
You're not that strong. But the factory they're right behind if you want to get it strong. See the factory over there, so?
We can sample it and everything there.
Yeah, man, but listen up now.
What kind of meat that?
Ready?
I look Asian.
Yes,
More
boy.
Asian.
You can boil the drink, but not green.
So can take some of your cup.
Yes, if you
I can send to me like bush. So surprisingly,
With a new stick.
what? Who's still?
surprisingly part I tour there is on the road. Go up on asphalt. Go up on another phase I tour. So far so good.
Yeah.
You say, can you swim now? Show for me, you ready? Rick's coffee? Alright, let's go. Phase 2. Every time I go, cut myself style. Never go river and I cut myself. Soldier. Just soul. Take her now, man.
No, not now. Search at 16. Jesus Christ.
You can see. So phase 2. Phase 2. I want to look quite subtle and relaxing. Listen. Then I see man want to rip it.
Prepare myself.
I don't take you away, you're not afraid. I'm here, I'm hold on for me tight. You know. If I were you, I'm hold on for me tight. Where are you going?
We say no.
So yes. So we go up another part. We don't want part. We have one shop, Jamaica's fruit. Come in the road.
Nice, bro. Cold jelly restaurant.
Cold jelly. So Javon, again, I have to ask you a question. Why do you feel like we come so far with money in our pocket?
Okay.
And you sell things around us, so we come so far with money in our pocket?
The chickies in the tell them say, oh, we have to come
phone.
back pay.
You come out pay. Let's find a little shortcut run on board.
Really think they believe they are walk with me.
Money in our pocket.
I'm going to pay for the library then.
Happy? Alright. Let's go. Woo. So face to this. Come on, boy. Watch on the car. Exploration just feel nice. I love exploration. But the only saddest part about these exploration is that the camera battery gone dead soon. I'm just have to cross the finger.
Did something come up already?
What?
Set the battery now.
Oh. You can get cross on like a bridge. Right, sir? Nobody not jump this, so this is not the spot. Up here, sir?
Right there, sir.
Right here, sir? It's shallow, my girl. Deeper Rick's Cafe. I'm placing it already. Cross on like a bridge, you know, part right there, sir. Climb on, take a step. Right now, one part there, sir. And then you reach. Then we reach. Fast forward to the pool itself. So this is phase 2. Blue hole. Oh, people can actually jump off right here. So swing off my direction and jump. It's awesome. Exactly what I'm searching for. They have one falls up there, so it look cool. I think. Yeah, wait for people. So that'll probably another phase, 3 or 4 or whatever. They go up and then come back down. And this look fun. You ready? Yeah. One thing. Let's go. You ready? Ready, youth? You're not ready? Relax yourself, man. Take on the backside and follow, man. Vlog. Vlogging. Swim youth. Sabusi. Go like he can swim without a life jacket, a dead in dead. Catch him, go like he can save a girl. Catch it. Yeah, I can't stand up. I'm ready for you. Who's there? Phase 3 should be fun. Let's get it, Jovan. Jovan, you first, you know. You first.
And rock. She can't sleep on her because we fall on my hand. She's mine.
May I pay, you know?
Yeah, pay me.
Yeah. Alright.
What do you think
No raid, man, at least. Phase 3. Let's enjoy me. Right, I must call the place Mayfield. Let's enjoy Blue Hole. Let's get it. I smash a big swimmer now. Up there, so I go. Get it! You're afraid? Yeah, man. I risk cafe, she won't get no Javon. Run me down every day. I'm going to risk cafe, I'm going to risk cafe. A Blue Hole there. Son of nothing. Oh. Get a picture? A tooth. So, all I can say just for Blue Hole nicer than Mayfield. It's nicer than Mayfield Falls. It's like bigger and deeper and just it's nicer. Yeah, Mayfield a beer. I like it. Come on. Let's talking more walking. So Janelle and Javon are swim cross. What in there? Oh, still in there right there. They make a nice couple, not true? Can't join on you know. There's no way we can go over there so, and stay dry. We say walk around this but I really want to. Boss, the jump no man! Got it? You don't think you got it? Jump you, jump! In there! R.I.P. Who next? One are you next, you know? Ross! Simon must say, yo! You're not gonna dead, you know? You might John, but you're not gonna dead. Janelle! You next, you know? One for me, but you dead. I can't but you dead, so it's all over the place, so. What you say, what
man, jump over the thing and man, good afternoon.
Yeah, alright, man, but John no star. Can't buy what this and none of this, I wait for money.
Man, hand enough.
Drop him, man. Alright, go on. What you say, jump on, no ready for that one. It looks scary, man, I'm not lying.
No jump.
So we can come back then, right? Alright, I'm come down and I jump. Go ahead. Oh, you go down. And wait for.
No,
you can't do it. May I eat one? But that one looks scary. Wow. Yeah, man. We live on the edge, you know? We live on the edge. Let's go. I get cola and cola. So we are going to phase 4. Yes. Watch it. Come on. Hold on camera. People don't want to watch a good vlog and a long, intense vlog. Don't die on me. Good. Alright, up there we go. I'm watching a dead star. My vex. I'm upset. I'm upset. Just go on, man. That's on alright. Come on, you're good. This I save you. Your best friend that I know, your wifey.
Yeah, she
Don't let go far. Take a photo. She wants a photo. Alright, we go on. Oh, yeah, a big star running and a superstar now. You are watching her. You will learn off. You're a teacher. Yeah, go on first. Janelle! You something man, a backflip, a front flick, sorry. You something man? Somebody not jump? There's so much coward there.
Couples, go up there, so couples. And leave you alone and call it back. One fear there.
Love spot with it. Oh, something like a, what they call this, a Mayfield. A bath or jacuzzi or something way up to relax. Wanna jump right up there, so you legit the right there, so yo, this is around 100 feet. Give me something, boss. Don't be afraid. Give me something, boss. World star. Ready? Up there.
Ready, let's go!
1, 2, 3, go! Filming.
Hello, the batch is too dead.
What's your dead, boss?
Batch ready.
What you doing then?
2%. I really thought what you did. Oh God. Why? Big boss. Big. Janelle. Forward man. You learn how to swim? Forward man. The adventure weeks. Janelle. Hold the camera right here so for me. Just hold it right here. Stand up right here.
Yep.
That's it. Alright, thank you very much. Time to take a jump now. Ready?
Ready.
Go on. Go on, Jonathan.
Ready.
Head fast.
Ready.
Eh? Oh, that good man. A good man. Go on, Jonathan.
Come in, Jonathan. Come in. You can leave, bro.
Jonathan, a waste man. Brother, come on, I make you a superstar. Javon, you jump here, man. You want to jump? No, right, you can't jump here, sir. Him not going here, man. He's not ready. I'm a coward. Javon, go on, man. Marine gun. Minus. My youth. Javon, go on. What do you say, Hong? Alright. Janelle time. Be a big girl. Janelle, watch your dead. Yo, me watch your dead that one. Whoa. Rick's Cafe girl. Do it, youth. Oh. He did. Come on, you. Hey. Alright, boss, how was it?
Yo, you're terrifying now.
My turn now.
Yeah, when I jump off, I feel like everything they bring the shit.
How's it? How's it? Yo, that is easy. That is easy. I'm gonna go up there, sir. Which is stage 2 for right there, sir. Stage 4. I'm gonna jump off. Yo, no matter what, I can't stop myself from getting cut in the water here. I get cut all over me from my knee and now from my arm. So you go, come to the territory door.
You got this! Woo! Battery are dead! Woo! Hey!
That was awesome. Okay, so actually high, but jump higher is nice, I think. I don't know, you go deeper, and for some strange reason, the increase in the pressure feel nice. Jump on, find upon him. Yeah, I don't use that time, you know. Boy, but I give my girl fit me.
Come on, Javon!
Jump faster, man. Big man, jump faster, man. My youth, jump. My butt you dead youth. That girl, me try boots him, but go on, yeah! Indeed, RIP. Hey, you make it. Go on, youth. Finally, look how long. You're going like a girl child. Alright, team, I smash. Turn on the copyright there. Yo, my battery dead for me. That's why when I never get to say whole heap of different things when we come back. But anyway, I do this quick because I have about 2 seconds left on the camera here. Thanks you guys for watching this video. And I really appreciate you guys for sticking around to the end of this video. If you make it to the end of the video, please give me a like and comment Team Ismash if you guys are still here. I appreciate you guys. Blue Hole was nice and you guys were there with me all through the journey, and I appreciate you guys.